Hi traders, and welcome to our weekly Forex recap. We have had a great trading week, and now even today it was very good to trade. And if you traded dollar CAD, I also did the analysis. Well, you should have made very nice pips with dollar CAD. Also, our live Telegram group and live Telegram channel had a $5 CAD trade, and we made nice money on that. So I'm very happy how we did it. And basically, the dollar CAD was also pushed up with the GBP dollar weakness. As I said, the GBP dollar is a very big headline risk now, and if you trade GBP dollar, you really need to be very careful, and also you should definitely be very conservative with your risk regarding the GBP dollar. Also, guys, thank you all for following me on Instagram too, because when I post some questions, you answer, and I like that, and I really see that there is some live interaction between us. So yeah, so very good day today, and yeah, Ali saying that he forgot dollar CAD. He missed my Telegram message. Well, it happens, but as I say, it was very clear trade. I was very happy that I took it on time, and it spiked up a little bit after I made an entry. It was a 4-hour trade. It hit target. I closed it for 55 pips. Regarding weekly recap today, again, I think that we will have great setups. Basically, before we start, always read disclaimer. Then I will show you results from previous week. CFD and Forex are leveraged products, can result in losses that exceed your deposits, so those are not suitable for everyone. Have in mind that Forex trading is risky, and everything that you see here is my personal opinion and trades. Regarding setups and trading rules, you need to give price a breathing room, always enter in the zone. It's called the POC zone. Add the spread to your stop loss. Even if you trade via ECN account, add 2 to 5 pips spread depending on pair traded. Also for equities, for everything that I post, guys, always add the spread to your stop loss. It's very important. We take only one position per listed pair, whichever hits first. We have both alternative and positional trades. Positional trades are trend trades. Alternative trades are usually counter trend trades. If I give you a breakout trade or scalp trade, you can also trade it independently of any position. Also for Forex, equities, and commodities, protect your profits around important levels. Just regarding Forex market, because I post 95% of the time, it's Forex market. Always, guys, protect profits. If you're not sure how you can do it, protect at least 20 pips of profits, or if you leave it overnight, use some expert advisor. I usually use Swiss Army expert advisor, an old expert advisor that is also very good, and it serves me well. I usually put my stop loss to 20 pips of profit if I go to sleep overnight. Let me just adjust the it's the light. Yeah, I think it's okay. You can see me here on the camera. I want to adjust it a little bit. Yeah, I guess it's fine like this. Okay, these setups that I post now basically are valid for today, tomorrow, and sometimes also the day after tomorrow. And pay attention to my Twitter updates. Add these levels to your system. Pay attention to trends, so you might find other trend-based entries. And the term pips pool, that is the maximum available number of pips that you could have got on my recap entries. This is the result for the previous week. 70 pips, euro dollar, pound dollar, trade of the week, 155 possible pips. The Australian dollar, 30 possible pips. Dollar yen, minus 15. BTC dollar, alternative buy trade, plus 45 pips. Gold, positional sell, 70 pips. So this is the pips pool. It doesn't mean that every single pip has been taken. Of course, if you take 20, 30, 40% out of this pip pool, it's still good. Results of the last week were excellent, Ali, indeed. Thank you. Yes, well, that is basically my predictions and setups, and yeah, it's not market orders, but rather it's like potential pending orders where you actually need to watch the price in the zone and see if there are trading opportunities. And right from these zones, I always post results so you can see possible 355 pips. But as I say, if you took like 30-40% out of it, it's still good, guys. It's free for you and enjoy it. Okay, so the trade of the week was the GBP dollar. And now the slides, always, as always, vertical line, time of our webinar, and what happened after I published the setups. This is it. Buy trade was initiated here, but we didn't go long, guys. Actually, we did go short. This is the short trade. 1390 was entry. Price never hit stop loss. And as I say, even if it reached 1420, it wouldn't been hit because you always need to add the spread and 2 to 5 pips. So you see there was a drawdown, but then the price dropped and made some nice pips to the downside. The GBP dollar, again, a sell position 28.50. It spiked down heavily. And if you traded it, you probably made some nice pips. This was the trade of the week. The Australian dollar, again, the Australian dollar sell trade and buy trade. Basically, the buy trade was initiated here. You could have also sold it, but if you went with a buy, again, you could have made nice pips, even if you sold it here. I don't know why I put this, because this was a sell trade, clear sell trade, and you could have made even more pips. You see sell position, you could have made 90 pips with a sell. I don't know why I put buy, but basically this is my mistake. I will correct it now. This was a sell, actually. A sell trade, right? Let me just correct it. Positional sell. Yeah. This is the result, actually. Now, yeah, this is corrected now. Okay, and again, the Australian dollar here, a sell, and bang, it went down. The dollar yen was ranging. If you, yeah, okay, dollar yen ranging. Genesis, this is for the previous week. We are long. Oh, indeed. And these are results for the previous week. Okay, December 3rd. This is the result. Okay, so this is the result for previous week. It's not today's setup. I am long, and I will pause the setup here. Just let me quickly show results. So dollar yen, if you took a trade, it would have been a loser. The only single loser from a recap was dollar yen. And here dollar yen was ranging, and it was basically a buy trade. They didn't go well, and it was, unfortunately, it was a loss. Okay. And BDC also, BDC, as I said, is in downtrend. I always talked about, when I was talking about BDC dollar, I always said that it is basically a bubble. And it was a bubble from 20,000, it went down to 3,500, guys. This is really, I don't know. This is, for me, I don't trade this. I'm not buying any cryptos anymore at this point. Really, I have some cryptos like, like Ripples. I will leave it like investment maybe in 10-20 years if it will actually, I don't know if it will survive, but it's like I don't make any money on this. I just post setups, and I'm not a crypto trader. I just post setups because people also ask to trade the BTC dollar now with new rules and with leverage. I don't know if it will be that valid, but well, to each to as we say, each to his own. So if anyone trades this was the setup, and you guys again made some pips with this setup. And now, yeah, gold. I also posted gold. The result for the gold was here. Basically, it was uptrend. We had a buy position and we had a sell position. Basically, our buy position was initiated here again. It was a little bit higher, but then sell position was actually what I counted. This was a sell position, 1240 exactly, and the price went down. So even with the gold, you could have made money. Okay, now guys, I will show you setups, and I will do just a quick change because I'm long euro dollar. So actually, euro dollar is long now. Okay, this was what I did today, but I'm now long on euro dollar. And guys, I want to go long. I am here and I'm still long. I think I might add a position here. So this is the zone. Okay, now the price is in the zone. I would like that it closes here in the zone after this hour, so it will support again my look. But I already took a trade around 1370. It needs to stay above, guys, these these lows. We have a lot of flows here. You see, this is an order block, 1358, but we cannot make a stop loss that low. So my stop loss is 1330, guys. Okay, so my stop loss is 1330, and I will add few pips. So my stop loss is actually 1326. That is my stop loss. Okay, and final target is up 1470. I think that euro dollar drop was caused by dollar CAD strength and GBP dollar weakness, especially GBP dollar weakness. So this is it. 1330 add pips for stop loss. 1470 is stop loss. So yes, I'm long now, guys, and you can see my live account here, and you can see that I'm actually long. I mean, this is for Telegram traders and the account that is connected to my FX book. So you can always check stats and results. One more thing, guys. I still add, I trade with very low risk. So if the price closes inside Bollinger Band after this hour, if it doesn't hit my stop loss, then I will add one more position. So my risk will be kept really low, below 3%, below even 1.5. So yeah, I still can add to my position. So let's see. But I made already profits with dollar CAD, so I am ready to risk with euro dollar. It would be the best that euro dollar actually makes a nice bullish candle here inside this Bollinger Band close. Then I will add one more position. We have stop loss, we have target. The target is here, so let's see. Now pound dollar, downtrend on pound dollar, sell position 27, stop loss 27.50, TP 24.90. Yeah, I will go with my new module that will be also that will go live soon, just for the analysis. So guys, this is my Camarilla MACD Wiz, very unique method that will be solely based on 4-hour trading. It will not require multiple time frame momentum such as Camarilla MACD Lite, although Camarilla MACD Lite is very good, but just for the sake of 4-hour trading, because this can be traded as a 4-hour solely. Camarilla MACD will use Wiz with Camarilla levels together, and of course with these bands that are very accurate. They don't repaint, and they follow the price perfectly. So yeah, this will be my new module that I'm going to release. At this point, Camarilla MACD Wiz has 5 out of 5 successful trades so far that I put live on my Telegram group. But I didn't say Camarilla MACD Wiz. I actually said other system, because Camarilla MACD Wiz supported that signal from the other system. So that was it basically. And today, Camarilla, and today's dollar CAD trade, guys, also was made here. You see, it was made here. Very clear entry from Camarilla MACD Wiz here. Well, you will see. Just be patient, guys. I think I will release it definitely before the new year. And for all traders that are that have bought a full course, Cabrera MACD, it will be free. For traders that are part of Telegram group, it will be definitely a big discount, guys. Yeah. So here, GBP dollar. If the price gets here, it could be a retest, guys. Okay. So 2700 is a sell, 2750 stop loss, TP 2490. Okay. So you can see here, you can see there actually. If we get here, it would be a retest. I guess that the price will turn, but also I think that you see TP is 2490, because if it drops further, this is the level for TP. Maybe there will be buyers there, but then again, it's too risky to go long. Except this was the first long. I would rather go short on the GBP dollar. But again, guys, it's a big headline risk. Whatever happens with the GBP dollar, it can pull down the euro. It can pull down other dollar crosses. Except if the dollar is base currency, if the dollar is quoted currency, then probably most crosses will drop. So that is why I'm saying it's a big headline risk. If anything good happens, some good news regarding Brexit deal, whatever, it will spike up. So be very careful, guys. This is a technical picture, how I see it at this point. Then we have the Australian dollar that is in downtrend. Sell position is 72.50. 72.80 stop loss. TP is 71.60. Buy is 71.60. Stop loss 71.20. TP is 72.50. I will get back, Genesis, to your question. Yes. Regarding Cabrera MACD course. Ilya, hi Ilya, nice to see you here. So the Australian dollar is 72.50. Yeah, just guys, if you joined now, I am long euro dollar. Position is in between 1370, 1360. Stop loss is 1320. Target is 1470. Protect your profits after at least 20 pips. If you go to sleep overnight, make your expert advisor protect your trade after 20 pips. So guys, yeah, that would be it. So live trade here, euro dollar is running. Okay, so the Australian dollar 72.50 is a sell, 71.60 is a buy. This is the Australian dollar. This is basically MTF here on my Wiz template. If the price gets here, it will be a retest completely of this zone here, and I guess it's a good sell. There were very, very good trading opportunities with my Cabrera MACD Wiz and Light today, but unfortunately I didn't take it. I was trading dollar CAD. Now we have euro dollar, so I missed it. So I mean the Australian dollar is close, so you might actually get long maybe soon, because euro dollar is also going long. This is actually the zone. Indeed, here you see historical buyers, a lot of buyers from this zone. The price is getting there. It's monthly L4, close even to weekly L3, but this is the zone. So it could go up indeed. Yeah, I mean 20 pips would probably be possible, but definitely this is a bearish move now. Definitely a bearish move, a sort of bearish flag indeed. But then again, it can be a fake out, and if euro dollar goes up, it will probably pull the Australian dollar at least for some pips. Also, we have Tokyo session a little bit later. Okay, next one is the dollar yen. Buy is 112.40. The sell is 113.60. Now, guys, just regarding Genesis, your question, Cabrera MACD course, it's the full course. It's not just for swing trading, Genesis. It's for scalping, scalp swings, intraday trading, counter trend trades, breakout trades, London Open Advanced, and 2 modules for swing trading, Cabrera MACD Lite, and soon to be released, Cabrera MACD Wiz. So Cabrera MACD course has 7 different modules, and they're all suitable for any type of traders, be it a breakout trader, London Open trader, volatility trader, momentum trader, and whatever, guys, and 2 bonus modules. So Camarilla McD course is for everyone, guys. Check results on my FX book. Find me, Tarantula FX. Follow. These are Telegram signals that we do. For every course that you buy, guys, you will get, of course, free subscription to our ECS live channel. Or if you don't want the ECS live channel, we can always give you a discount. So no problem with it. Okay, so dollar yen, you see ranging, buy position, sell position here. Definitely the dollar yen is ranging. I can see it here. Also, you see this is up, this is down, this is up. Range, first range, second range, first range, second range. This is the range. For me, this is very, very, very rangy price action. So guys, follow me on this. Okay, this is the first range here. Then we have a swing. Then we have a second range here that goes there. Then if you follow this pattern, okay, again, same thing here. You see, then it goes here, the range. If it breaks it, it will go there, somewhere there. So this is the setup for dollar yen. Yeah, very much I can say this is a descending trend line. Guys, based on the wiz, okay, you see the level 0 is here, level 1 is here. When level 1 is below level 0, it means that there is a downtrend. Second step for determining the trend is this long-term Halma moving average. It's bearish. Then MACD below 0 line, bearish. Then trend line connection with the fractals, ECS fractals, bearish. Then we have weekly H3, bearish. So this is basically bearish on 4-hour time frame. But on higher time frames, this looks like a range. I would like to sell it, honestly. And I'm waiting for a sell signal here. I hope that we will get it. But this is the setup, guys. If you want, this is the setup. If it doesn't break, yeah, because I'm always careful with dollar yen. I would say 113.20 is also good for sell. But then again, if anything happens with dollar yen, some news, it could spike it here. So for me, if I see 13.20, I might announce it on Telegram, but not here on a session recap, because this is pre-fact and I'm actually guessing. You know, I'm doing the analysis, a guesswork what might happen. But definitely 113.60 is a way to go. If we don't see anything, price spikes up to 113.60. This is the sell zone, guys. Here, very good sell zone. A lot of confluence here. Ilya is asking about short dollar CAD. Yeah, I will do that just a little bit later. BTC dollar, 37.95 sell, alternative buy 34.80. Positional sell 37.95. Okay, I'm marking your question, Genesis. I will reply. So the BTC dollar, $37.95 here. This is a sell zone. $34.85 is a buy zone. Not ideal crypto for holding at this point, in my opinion. But then again, guys, this is CFD, so you can actually trade up and down. If you have a good margin and good account, you can do it. But that is a setup for BTC dollar. Gold, 12.40 a buy, sell 12.55. Gold is also now in a nice uptrend. So if it gets there, there is some confluence, and I guess it could actually make some move, U-turn to the upside. So I would go with a buy on gold. Euro dollar, guys, currently we are running long. So yeah, it's in profit now. If you trade euro dollar, you see now it's going up. I hope that it will be profitable. Okay, Genesis. Now your questions, guys. I will roll the slides again. I don't want to trade intraday. Do you think Emerald MACD is good for trading weekly charts? No, honestly, Genesis, I'm not trading weekly charts, but you can trade 4-hour charts. Genesis, 4-hour charts are good, and Camarilla MACD Light module uses weekly, daily, and 4-hour for trading. Weekly and trend, daily retracement, 4-hour for entries. So if you want 4-hour, that is okay. Other than 4-hour, I don't do it. Julian, in these sessions, what Camarilla MACD do you use? This is analysis, guys. With Camarilla MACD, I'm using my analysis Camarilla MACD in my Telegram group. I use live entries from my Camarilla MACD modules. Mostly for the analysis, I use Camarilla MACD Light, Camarilla MACD Wiz, and Camarilla MACD MTF, of course, with counter trend, because MTF and counter trend are connected. Camarilla MACD is mainly for intraday and intra-week setups. And this, guys, what I'm giving you is valid for today, tomorrow, and early Wednesday, because I'm not trading anything higher than 4-hour charts. And Euro Dollar Now trade is my MTF trade. This is my MTF module. And I made actually an entry that might be a preemptive because I'm expecting this to go up and turn in these Bollinger Bands. So yeah, I mean, I use a lot of confluence factors. The main difference. Okay, Sipran, Ali, sorry. Can you ask these questions, please, on my next Camarilla MACD webinar with ECS Telegram group tomorrow? Tomorrow, 11 o'clock, right? 10 GMT, 10 a.m. GMT. Ask me, please, this question, and I will explain. Because people here are not into Camarilla MACD. They're watching this solely for making profits, for making setups, and many of them do not know what Camarilla MACD is and what is light, what is MTF. So it's only for you guys who know what Camarilla MACD is, who live on our Telegram channel. So please, just be patient. No, it's okay. Of course, you can ask anything, but it wouldn't be fair now to explain everything because this is going up on YouTube and people are watching. If anyone wants information, guys, regarding my results, Chris results, what is Camarilla MACD, just send us an email. Go with ECS Live and we will explain. We have 2 webinars for ECS Live members, 2 webinars each, Chris and I, right? So no worries. Just ask your question tomorrow. I will be focused on that. But there is difference. Yeah, MTF is multiple time frame. Intraday trading, light is purely 4-hour. And I will explain it. So that would be it, guys. I mean, Euro Dollar setup is going up now. Let's see. I would hold it overnight. If I hold it overnight, I would place this Swiss Expert Army Advisor to make at least 20 pips before closing trade. So if the price goes 20 pips in my favor during the night, then I will get that 20 pips. If I see it, I will scale out, put the rest to break even, and ride a free ride. If I'm not going to sleep, if I see, let's say, 25 pips of profit in the next 2 hours, I will scale out, put the rest to break even +1, and leave it to final target. It's called riding a free ride. Do you have any other questions, guys, for any other pair? If you don't have it, then I will call it a day. If you have it, just go ahead and ask me. Gold, yeah, great. This is gold. This is gold. 1240 buy, sell 1255. Dollar CAD, where to put short? Well, Ilya, this is the short for. I will go here in between 34.50 and 34.70. Yeah, definitely. A lot of confluence. 34.50 to 34.70 could be a short on dollar CAD. Yeah, here. Definitely. You see how big confluence is. Overshot, Marimet, monthly H4 Camarilla, weekly H5 weekly H4 Camarilla. Good, good, good. And the extreme overshoot. So anywhere between these levels, guys. Yeah, it's not very. It's going up, Pasindu, euro dollar, but I want more. It's only maybe 5-6 pips from the 1365, the lowest entry point, right? It still needs to go up. Yeah, I hope for at least 25-30 pips. I mean, if I don't go to sleep, then 20 pips is okay. Ilya, okay, Genesis, New Zealand dollar, yen. Let's see, New Zealand dollar, yen. I would say with New Zealand dollar, yen, no clear trend on weekly, daily is going down. Let me see it here. Yeah, this is tricky because zero is above, one is above zero, but MACD is below the line. New Zealand dollar, yen, Genesis. This looks like it could be an upside price action, but it's not clearly confirmed because actually it's bearish now. You see, with zero below with one, MACD below zero line, longer term HMA bearish. This one is bullish, but it's not telling me anything. So not clear situation on New Zealand dollar yen. It's like a range play here. I would probably go short if the price gets there, but it's not per system. It's just per my view. It's not like with Camarilla MACD Wiz, we have nothing here. With Camarilla MACD Light here also, I mean, this could reject from this level. It's 7-8. So I'm guessing that you should be prepared for shorts. But then again, weekly is not having any clear trend. It's thinning line here. I don't like it. I need thick blue or thick red. Daily, it's okay. It's going down, but you see it's above zero line. So again, nothing on Camarilla MACD Light. And with the MTF, it's like maybe, as I say, this could be a short. So I would probably be looking for short trades here. Daniel is asking about GBP Australian dollar. Let me find it here, GBP Australian dollar. Oh, this is setting up for a long trade, definitely. Again, not very clear. Yeah, definitely. This could have been a nice counter trend move here. Zero above one, top of the, this could have been a great trade. Top of this confluence here, envelopes. The only problem is MACD above zero line. So I would say short on rallies. And it could go up now actually. So short on rallies around this spot could be next short, 76.30. But not very clear because MACD is above zero line. Yeah, GBP basket now is going down because of the GBP weakness, guys. Okay, do you have any other questions? Oh, Pasino took entry at 13.58. Great, it's going up then. So you see euro dollar is going up now. Yeah, I'm guessing, I hope that this will be a nice win, especially if I see a candle close inside Bollinger now. That would be great. So I don't see any questions, guys. I hope that this helped. I will roll the slides. If you want anything, guys, regarding Camarilla MACD, ECS live subscription, just send me an email. And Ilya, I replied to your email. I sent you email, Ilya, regarding the Camarilla MACD module. And I promised that I will give you one more thing, one free for you. I met Ilya in Slovenia. He came straight from Switzerland really to meet me. And I was very honored that people come from such a long a way to meet me. So yeah, I'm always generous, and I like it a lot, really. And it's you guys who always give me strength to give you always the best setups. Yeah. And this is it, guys, for this week. So enjoy the rest of the week. I'm here with you always, guys. And let's make pips again. Cheers, guys. Talk to you soon. Trade safe.